If you are one of those agents that are always constantly scrolling other real estate agents' account trying to figure out what to post, then this video is perfect for you because I'm going to give you some information as to how you could take the guesswork out of posting on social media for your real estate business. Stay with me. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate marketer, real estate agent, and a global team leader with eXp Realty Brokerage. I'm based in Toronto and I work with real estate agents around the world. So if you're looking to partner with me, work with me, head to the description below and check out the information there. First of all, thank you so much for joining me here. So if this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell. And if you have any question whatsoever about real estate marketing, social media, kvCORE, systems, process, name it, you can leave it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. So this is a great tool. It's called Karuvi.social. You can look at the URL right here. The main website is Karuvi.social. If you go to this website, it'll give you a ton of information. I actually did a number of different videos on this amazing platform. It is the one of its kind. There are a lot of other similar platforms and companies that do social media for real estate agents and other businesses. But what's so unique and different about this is that you're going to take this from someone who's a digital marketer who actually teaches digital marketing for a living and who worked in marketing for over a decade. And what it is so unique about this platform, it starts with strategy. So it's not just templates, and your content is going to look unique, and it's really about growing your personal brand. It is about uh, really building your database. It's really about building and growing your business. So not just getting those numbers of followers and engagement, but it's about converting them into clients. And that is why I love about this platform. And let's talk a little bit about that guesswork. So you're probably one of those agents, if you think you are always scrolling, following other agents and getting inspirations and snippets, you're honestly spending so much time on social media. You honestly go to your Instagram, click in setting and look at the amount of time spent on social media. If it's a lot of time that you're spending just looking for other inspirational content, then you're missing the boat in terms of trends. This platform does all that work for you. It's telling you what is trending. It is telling you where you should be posting. It gives you exact copy, captions, optimized hashtag, everything in between. And really, the thing that sets this platform is strategy, like I mentioned. But when you put in your content is going to look, and pictures, your own copy, it's going to look uniquely different and stand out compared to any other agents. But this platform guides you to get there, which is the great part, and it comes with a lot of help and support. So I would recommend checking that out. And what the content planner, which is kind of the bulk of this product, looks like is every single month it gives you the current month and every single day's content. I'm going to make my camera a little bit smaller so that you can see this. And it, everyone's feed will look different. It really plays with a combination of templates as well as your own DIY post. And this is for those people that really want to bring their community, their market reports and etc. and shine. So if you want to make your content look really, it's not just marketing, but it's really diverse, and you want to have a combination of, talking about the real estate space, but talking about something personal, connecting with your audience, being relatable, and promoting your other services and product, then Karuvi is a great system for you. I'm just showing you my Instagram, for example, but my content is a little bit different because I do work with real estate agents, and a lot of my content is to attract agents. So it's a little bit different, and investors. So you can see a lot of content I post on here are for investors as well. And I really want to become someone who people can relate to. So you can see I'm talking about family, living, and traveling, and talking about what it's like to invest in real estate. So if that is something that you're passionate about, or if something that's unique to you, then maybe share that on social media. And finding out how to do that is what this platform does, so that you're able to connect with people. Remember, we're not selling just properties when it comes to real estate. We're selling a lifestyle. We're selling that neighborhood, that market. So it's really important that you share that information on your social media platform, and you can post this on LinkedIn. So you can see you on LinkedIn post, you can share this. You can post it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, your YouTube channel. You can create content, long form content out of this, small videos out of this, reels on Instagram, shorts on YouTube, name it. This platform is really comprehensive, but it's really simple to use, very, very strategic, and it's compatible for all platform. And like I mentioned, there are helpful tutorials here, and you can share this on all platform. And what some of these content, and let's look at one of the strategies that tells you exactly what to do for that day. It gives you some instructions, and it tells you today's strategies to educate your audience with real estate tip. Here's a great tip for you to talk about. And if you're confused about what to fill this in, here's an example post with the exact copy that you can literally take this and put it into ChatGPT, write it that makes sense for you and your space and your brand and your market. Or you can really use the same copy, rewrite it however you feel fit for your brand. So again, it takes the guesswork out of what to post on social media and really growing your business. And that's what I really want to highlight today is the benefit of this platform. And what is amazing about this platform is it does two things for you, and which is the most important things for your business. It saves you cost, which is great, so you don't have to be spending money on trying to figure out social media courses and training, and then and still be confused about what to really post and how to turn your post into content and really attract people, and I mean your ideas into content. And the second big thing is what we can never get back, is the most valuable thing we all have, is time. This saves you a ton of time, and that is where I want to really spend a little bit of time, no pun intended, to talk about, is the fact that this takes that guesswork out of what to post. If you are not a digital marketer, if you've not been working in the marketing space, if ideas don't come to you quickly, and you're new to the business perhaps, or if you are someone who's an active agent, you're a top producer, or if you're busy and you want to have your VA, one of your assistant, who is coming into space to help you out with your marketing and social media, you can give them a login access and they'll be able to do the posting for you, which is great. And I know this platform has AI integration as well as scheduling coming up. So tons of new things. So stay tuned. I hope this was helpful to kind of give you that little push that you need to be able to use this platform, especially in social media. One thing I want to leave you with before I go, and if you still feel like it's a bit of work for you to follow this, they have, and we're launching this, but we have you can get your own digital, a dedicated social media content manager. And when I say they, I mean our whole team. So we are able to help you find and pair you with the manager who's able to customize your content for you, post for you, and on all platforms up to 4 you can choose, so which is great. And you get to fill out this in-depth questionnaire that allows you to really understand your business. I encourage you to check it out. All the information is in the description below. If you have any questions, connect with me. Once again, my name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate marketer, real estate agent, and a global team leader. I will see you next time.